Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will compare Figma versus HTML CSS. We'll explore their distinct purposes in the web development workflow. First, we'll understand how Figma empowers designers to create stunning visual interfaces and interactive prototypes. Then, we'll dive into HTML and CSS, the foundational languages that bring those designs to life on the web. By the end, you'll clearly see which tool is best suited for different stages of your project, helping you make informed decisions for your next digital creation. Figma shines as a powerful design and prototyping tool. It allows designers to craft intricate user interfaces and experiences with incredible precision. You can create interactive mockups, test user flows, and gather feedback all within a collaborative environment. Its real-time sharing features mean multiple team members can work on the same file simultaneously, streamlining the design process significantly. Figma is about visualizing and refining the user journey before a single line of code is written. On the other hand, HTML and CSS are the bedrock of the internet. HTML provides the essential structure, defining elements like headings, paragraphs, and images. CSS then steps in to style these elements, controlling colors, fonts, layouts, and responsiveness across various devices. Together, they transform static designs into dynamic, functional websites that users can interact with. These languages offer unparalleled control over the final product, ensuring accessibility and performance for everyone. So, which is better? It's not a matter of one versus the other, but rather understanding their complementary roles. Use Figma for the initial design phase, creating wireframes, mockups, and high-fidelity prototypes to visualize your vision. Once the design is finalized, transition to HTML and CSS to build the actual live website. Figma provides the blueprint, and HTML/CSS constructs the building. Both are indispensable, working hand in hand to bring digital products from concept to reality.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.